The 2026 Huawei AITO M7 is a remarkable electric SUV that combines advanced technology, premium comfort, and versatile performance into one intelligently designed package. And from the moment you first see it, it is clear that Huawei has crafted a vehicle that balances style with function. The exterior design is sleek and aerodynamic, featuring smooth flowing lines from the front to the rear that give the M7 a confident and modern presence on the road. The front fascia is highlighted by sharp LED headlights integrated into a bold grille and sculpted bumper, accented with chrome and black trim to enhance the premium appearance. The roofline gently slopes toward the rear, giving the SUV a sporty silhouette while maintaining spacious interior volume. Large alloy wheels fill the wheel arches perfectly, and the rear incorporates a subtle spoiler and full-width LED light bar that provides a contemporary and cohesive design. Step inside, and the cabin immediately impresses with high-quality materials and a thoughtful layout focused on comfort and technology. Soft touch surfaces, refined upholstery, and tasteful trim create a luxurious environment, while seats are designed for maximum comfort with support for long journeys. The driver benefits from a high-resolution digital instrument cluster that displays essential driving information clearly, while a large curved infotainment screen dominates the center of the dashboard, providing intuitive access to navigation, media, climate controls, and connected features. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom, multiple charging ports, and adjustable climate controls, ensuring a comfortable and connected experience for all occupants. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin can be customized to create a calm or dynamic atmosphere, enhancing the overall premium feel. The Huawei AITO M7 is powered by an intelligent technology platform that sets it apart from many competitors, featuring HarmonyOS integration for seamless connectivity, fast response times, and intuitive interaction. Voice commands allow drivers to adjust settings, play media, navigate, and access information without taking their hands off the wheel, while wireless smartphone integration enables users to mirror apps and maintain connectivity on the go. Over-the-air software updates keep the system current, continuously improving functionality and performance long after the vehicle is purchased. Safety is another standout feature, with a suite of driver assistance technologies that includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, automatic lane changes, traffic jam assist, and collision mitigation. Cameras, radar, and sensors constantly monitor surroundings to enhance safety and reduce driver stress, while features like blind spot monitoring and automatic emergency braking provide additional protection in urban and highway driving scenarios. The powertrain options in the 2026 AITO M7 are designed for both efficiency and responsive driving. Rear-wheel drive models offer smooth acceleration and energy-efficient daily performance, while dual-motor all-wheel drive variants deliver increased power, instant torque, and improved traction for challenging road conditions. Suspension tuning ensures a balance of comfort and handling, absorbing road imperfections while maintaining stability through corners. Steering is precise and responsive, giving the driver confidence in city streets or on the highway. Battery performance is a key strength of the AITO M7, with high-capacity packs and intelligent energy management, delivering competitive real-world range suitable for commuting and longer trips. Fast charging capability allows drivers to gain significant range in a short stop at compatible stations, while home charging solutions provide convenience for daily use. These features, combined with efficiency and intelligent energy management, reduce range anxiety and make the vehicle practical for various lifestyles. Comfort and convenience are central to the daily experience in the M7. Keyless entry and push-button start simplify access, while a panoramic sunroof opens the cabin to natural light, enhancing the sense of space. Wireless charging pads and multiple USB ports ensure devices stay powered, and climate control systems maintain a pleasant interior temperature regardless of outside conditions. Storage compartments are plentiful, and the rear cargo area is spacious enough for luggage, sports equipment, or groceries, with rear seats folding flat to expand usable space when needed. Huawei offers several customization options for the 2026 AITO M7, including exterior colors, wheel designs, and interior trim packages, allowing buyers to personalize their SUV according to their preferences. Special editions may feature exclusive paint finishes or interior accents to further distinguish the vehicle. Early reviews have praised the M7 for its combination of luxury, technology, and usability, noting its smooth driving experience, intuitive systems, and high build quality. Overall, the 2026 Huawei AITO M7 represents a significant step forward for intelligent electric SUVs, blending futuristic technology, premium comfort, and versatile performance. It is ideal for drivers seeking a connected, smart, and capable vehicle for city commuting, weekend getaways, or longer journeys. With spacious interiors, advanced driver assistance, impressive battery performance, and refined styling, the AITO M7 offers a complete package that appeals to tech-savvy users and everyday drivers alike. Its combination of innovation, usability, and premium quality positions it as a strong contender in the competitive electric SUV market, showing that Huawei is serious about shaping the future of intelligent mobility with vehicles that are practical, high-tech, and luxurious.